Ankoye a person man can be an uncle hitting catch it. The buy national
Producers in the power na say directors na say actors.
Likee. We are not really related, but Akase one entertainment somehow. That what tafo. And our friend in the production, the which is brother. Any kucha or leg. Likee who are debi omi muse meet me I action. Sometimes so na Scorpion monto your muti in action movie. I made action movie, me start action movie, and I like it. Likee was the first best. On the set when I'm starting to me action movie. Say, do remember not liking him. Say, Nema na your directors no monto na se can in movie. See, Eddie Moon, I'm saying a year will be she like him.
Only like in term say.
I dey be one out here Cries over that way. About that way, say, hey, now we are all industry player.
If you say be right to ben no, be a tia now so.
People be break it now, so big star na make an oil bar. Near fee, stars name. My name one to my atare no. To bomb, a good many masses was said. O do me at once. Now I'm better me buy industry in Craving. See, and then as I mean pen as I was I make a cry. So I thought yeah, we are starting today.
So what Ghana any just aba ama Lemfi say download the end back with Lemfi or download the app we be mouse free. Maybe show mu just go to Play Store and say iOS na download. Do we are signing up or signing up na send the link in the command of bi or more abrochira woni momo a omo use Lemfi and send this can no. Omo ya catch omo say omo use Poleeno promo code POLENO fan signing up. But the way into the Lemfi say be so many say what the link am adofo say omo signing up to Lemfi. Into no so adofo no send this can be a bro $100, £100, €100 Lemfi say obema $100 Ghana cedis instant. Aye, ote kwen into nipa ne send this size can bro a unya alert a obetu we na second alert so to aso. Na say $100 Ghana cedis no aba Lemfi pen betimi aye wadoye say into catch adofo na catch wadofo na catch wadofo biem say Lemfi aba into omo download the Lemfi na enjoy.
Ya mo bibia akwa ba eba Poleeno Multimedia say afi na ahwe ya na wa subscribe send ya the tuma onsa ebetimi aka no straight. Enne wo hwe ba bia meti ya mayira mini ba bi kura meti enne maba bi hia mi sister ba ako mahwehwe na cha fucking sebo hu no strong woman be dey say na me frɛ no ana say action woman o mami emre na montena ase na monhwɛ ye enne ye de ni free way back esa de na ba bi pia set so ena ma ba bi pie sisie se Kumawood no asɔre ana se Kumawood no ede so eda fom eno nti ena mo ha se Poleeno Multimedia nso de se wo ye adwuma pa wo ye de a ebeba set so abebo adwuma no ho edaru adwuma wo ye amo ye no the title ye de.
Okay, so far, say I started shooting I am fat item, but to say
Okay.
because as a bet me no video I contradicted. Yeah, bet me my title, but I have so the only title about to see and I got clashing, you know. Yeah, shooting in area near the area near the title.
Nti script ne by title bia ni so.
Oh, title was about I don't think they have to disclose it now.
Oh, okay.
Because even so ana obin so nya idea and me cause see over fast e dey akoto no tin so na
okay. Matias.
So we are still shooting.
Okay. The mo akwa ban so eba Poleeno Multimedia.
Oh.
I thought say your video so won't na so that.
And occur.
Okay. Marisha watch pa and me feel so from way back.
Hey.
Yeah. And you say feeling say me for acting myself in America. The way we see acting, the way I say do I see acting no. And ne obechirem di ntia e ma no etimi eyesa. Men can say me fro strong woman and I say action woman. Inti Amanda ne de me dey ato nche. Action woman. Yes tati e kwan be so na wo fa de ewura Kumawood.
Oh, okay. With that sister will be something. Me so no. Now I had a passion to act. And I never pay action movie pa so share. But growing up na why and I would do any continue. So after one movie and yeah is over to my rooms are. And Kwame also answer may he so rest in peace. He was a family friend.
Okay.
So I remember with my sis birthday he was attending because not being a family no more.
Now was 6 years.
Now me was 6 years.
And Oba Mufia.
Or your family friend.
Okay.
Yeah. And then during those times, now another he was already into the movie industry. No Chani Ade. And school so now me play. You could play it doesn't matter him and I say you remember other groups home. So one time in they were shooting some movie way. Not when I was 6 though, but it was around was it I was 7. I don't know, was it Remember Your Mother? I've forgotten a Nigerian Ghana movie.
Okay.
Nat Banini was there on the Chao Kumasi Stadium, that area. And of friend me. Come also answer. Obefa me cry for near Koye. But now I wasn't used to camera. Into seeing the image them na me journey. Yeah, the image them me journey. I didn't get the opportunity to shoot, but now I was around.
Okay.
Till growing up, now we were communicating, but not always. And me from JHS, we were communicating or say I should concentrate on my school for now. Okay. The industry is there, it's big. Okay. It's there for everyone. Okay. No matter the time, On me mommy mo kasa, I say I'm concentrating. So me real SS no. Now me contacting no. Now I say me benya more interest.
Okay. Oko SS no.
Oh, me ko SS a Garden City. Great Gadalco, a Central.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Even through JHS, now we were contacting each other. And the drama never more. Okay. So even my primary, me Achimota preparatory. Okay. We used to do drama, compete with other school, Radiant Way, Neo Malam. That time about junior graphic move and stuff like that. And I'm who say, I'm ready. Okay. So me contacted and still now I know say me concentrating school no because me do SS there. Very important say ɛhɔ ɛho hia nti me ntwɛn nti fofia nto ata ɛna obenya ne kwanhyia wo no wuye fast forward alongside me old school na me share actor Georgia Tobra Miracle Costume. He's also a star. I think that many people know him. Oba Ifie, I was shocked. I think so be home I don't know what they had. And my mama said, hey, me Benio. Na ni je acting ho pa ona so say na o production house bi yede e wo ho nti o ma be join na am say mate na me je no contact and I'm joining the production that time we were sign near Corey Hair's house near there. Georgia Tobra had the opportunity to go to set being a costumier and an actor or can not the editor. I think it's my first movie I try Brokusia Francis Gabin the director Francis Brokusia because now George na costumier was set in the so and I know the oko set being or costume and also actor or the members need become home so that time no movie production so the be a bit me boy and from coming also answer to Georgia Tobran sem number me share then later on no grew a production house ni guye
okay
and guye and now we wanted to find our way out and ekoya say growing up as a young girl na very big challenging as a person no be doso
nanka me bisa ho no asam kakra
oh yes me be fa empanyimfo bi nsema anka ankoya person anka bia na anka me hiti nka chede dada me ba na stream nye
na omo sope
sometimes na me virgin because if you am free mo me ma me say obi hu say o chere me o busa made na me chere ko obechi watumti I wasn't exposed to men being a virgin Atobra was aware because my man who said me ba no on say on drew sir level na also for me man even though me papa you be also wa enti me the stature be na nyini e wan hwe ya ho me obeka say me nyini so na me so
no so
I had no committee ni ache
this atab na who he say
oh I think say na me I was in my 14 15
and who run them
oh me run them cry na ache ka come in fact the come was at time na about 7 8 you understand and then na me stature no me age 14 one because me 16 to 17 but me papa so one my funny stature na me dey so a pair pen be more
na ye producers in the power na say directors na say actors no
oh me nyi ba ku nyi bi mfrim omo nyina and sometimes ya na tobra kra ta na eh nkofo de bi ku o say so me ban your virgin or e mo bi amfa na asem nyede emba ne so and there were some directors we na come any opportunity but obepel na wan fear on frown and set so yes and to be do baby no I felt bad and I mean say maybe acting is not for me because as an area and mom some baby dream ho and to fast forward one time be me wo na me yet me jai acting because a pair person also and it was something I was very frustrating na traumatizing me kakra na me jai
to jai no ko dey
was that time I reassess and then na me mama mo pese me ye nursing na me pese me go school of aviation na akoye a university wasn't really something I'm say and then when entertainment industry was my field because me I think I make university there and I'll do me akoye arts and stuff like that you know me train na one time be I was on Facebook na director be your friend some power
yeah cinema pa
yes some power any me chat say or say oni me here juma and I'm say hey edru obi mo
na say banana
yeah he say be
para
and God being so good no now I was in Accra to me say Kumasi Accra me ma Accra bi and I'm say mate na me kan say me wa Accra no say me run na me ba Kumasi to me ba here no o ma me ba ne set so straight na ye ne a chere bro ma me say wa mo na na e shooting yeah and na me ma me say wa ma me so I started no the me here juma no the me here juma one after the other but one say me peda and I'm here to me share one say me peda and you know or the me here juma on a gym is or the me here juma and now I felt comfortable
on the side
because on me pay me
okay
but now man for and I am for be mo say sometimes a director my opportunity be a
unini date
because of name bi o amount for there hu ntia ba me say na entisa say me ka say na entisa na nyame ntua me ka so I say me ntimi twa ntronto bi so enti alongside na yenya some misunderstanding na o say me free the camp enti me free the camp no and I Likee yeah of aka we are not really related but as a yenya omo family no free aka se one entertain somehow
e
waterfall your family house or honum growing up no me ma me tu kwan na odma koja ono ne auntie wawu your friend auntie ejewa
okay
may her soul rest in peace and you know no almost na almost nemu they were all struggling
yeah
it's not easy and on to the idea be ba so so cho no akasa ye ono ni production
aka
yes and I think that some power says so na
that time na year be we check na a year be
I think that from 2000 and some power then I think that 2011 12
okay
13 to 14 corner Akam so Aka yes on to be on production because we were all struggling. Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah.
And I offer me the production be which is brother in a kucha Likee. And yes, you know. And I met one of the directors, your friend committee, Alidu Amidu.
Committee, yeah, my committee, no.
Yes. Me call now honum. And I know say that movie no was about action. So me so na me was passion for na me so na me enjoy kung fu class near there. And I loved action movie.
Now we join kung fu class.
Oh yes.
Class we say, hey,
taekwondo. Yeah.
2 year perfect pa.
Oh, me sure that perfect but the mission I na me apply. Ma nsua nche there but na me wo passion no for sa name no. Enti o me yeso mo action movie na like hu ade bi o me mu say metimi ayre. Aye action. No dem ba said to the committee hear me say at that time kana me so na me obolo kra che na ma be obolo. The committee hear me say like yes here pe girls at that time the Ella mo ne Bridget Sewa ne Bridget sa Bridget for me no.
Yeah.
And I about set so because almost say almost start action no ne ye tired o mucha. Na committee be say like he say na obi a ye slim girls say omo action na Amanda there. Ebere o betimi ahuri na like he say committee me nkasa try na her. Na so okay. Na fe o ma many boys be share fight and also yɛn hyehyɛ ɔtwa the other scene ɔbaa no ayɛ dɛ ɔde n'ani abɛhwɛ ɔbaa yɛ na ɔsɛ yɛn nyɛ ne yɛn hwɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn afei dɛ story na mfa me ho I was an extra me ho yɛ ano sɛ yɛ create more addendums
ɛde wo hyɛm
ɛde me hyɛ mu sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ bɛ blend it
ɛbɛma
story
story
no
na
yeah
mana
because who say what I'm doing is interesting
Yeah.
and deɛ na meyɛ no nso na ɔpɛ no
Mm,
nti yɛtwa movie no wie yɛtwa movie no everybody was congratulating me na yɛ mama sɛ obi a me mu do wotumi action or cakes they were say ato me nan ne ade no everybody was congratulating me I was happy Emma yɛwie na director no committee yɛ sɛ ɔbɛma bɛka ne camp saa time so na Scorpion mo nso ayi ɔmo ti na action movie
yeah.
na mepɛ hɔ akɔhyɛ na mɛmɛ bi me friend Ninja Films Ninja skebe ɛbɔ bi ɔbɔ me no
Ninja ka so bɛgye sika
na Ninja sɛ mɛ person mɛka ne production hɔ I wasn't very registered that time so na me nyɛ sɛ sika no I was sad though but committee anje me one city ti me kwara mko hu Scorpion ni Taylor ma hɔ I'm to baby am pɛ ne hɔ na mayɛ dɛ masa bɛ hu
ɔmo de
boys ni Coco mo Jack mo enya asɛm ketewa na director na de me ka ɔmo ho so manage yɛ nyinaa na me kɔka hɔ ɛna ɛne ne gyae we were releasing movies after movies that time no na movie industry na perform cry but committee took the risk say because action no ye hu say amanfo pɛ
yeah.
ɛna before say industry ni bɛba form no na deɛ etwitwa no ɛkɔ market for pɛ ɔmo Cries ne you know ɔmba movies na ɔmɛtɔ na sɛbi ya papa mo ne ya mama movies na egu hɔ
yeah.
all because ɔmo de kɔ ɛsaa da na ɛbɛsa but ɔmo kɔfa the other movies so ɛnsa which means amanfo ne gye nneɛma na yeah no so we had to take the risk nti ma marketers no divert by side
yeah.
Me ntwantra that ko committee camp on sa na committee adwuma na marketers no de cars so say ntia because someone say market na movies say
okay
so they want to work with us
okay
and I any omotena ase and yeti ase we agreed we started working with them yeah adwuma bia na omaje yeah adwuma na omto de omadwuma ba na ye till say your manager no yeah hu ne biem because of and Emma want to know say kabi na aba and a young and I'm not say any baby or
near friends
a friend committee
na
committee
ma hu ni
yeah who committee be
besi samre kura mu hu ni
besi samre any baby or committee wo
na e ka be
oh unsa nipa de nipa ye na wetimi adeka
yeah
I think say it was about uncrophobia to discover so on for yen adwuma ma omo na menim de koye ya scan wo anya ma omo back nti na omo pese omo che no nti na so dwane
okay wa adwuma mu achi wo kan say sini no na eba form wo hwa a sini na eba form no Kumawood na eba form no wo hwa na free actors producers and as directors
metimi aka say nyina contribute to the fact there are other ways that and also can home be na industry ba from because now okay to me na me hu say the coders ne ba ye no one ekoto CD akoto DVD area akoshem ti marketers ne adwuma be boka and ya divert to YouTube and them we had no idea say that could decode be unity ama ebema ako creative problems ne ade and ya nso ye ka ho be pesami nkuminya ne we say what Timmy Wakame only one thing about the movie industry, yeah, because me starting me follow Hollywood ne Bollywood pa.
Okay.
And omo ne perception
okay.
Ghana hana investing into movies is a problem because so what investing into movies it won't be catchy. And secondly, storyline. We are Ejuman, we are not doing it for fun. You understand? Your mom buy your name here for fun, but brother, so as I say, and professionally, obi so buy some be piska.
Yeah.
And to say, maybe when say income come more, people will lose interest.
Yeah.
And there be another storyline I one way be a boss people. And secondly, a German is big. Obi abetimi anya sika from producer to director, crew to artist. everybody will be okay living their dream life, but akwa se nipa ba akofo pese de bia na nkomo scan here e sure no ni bottom.
Like ne eno no ye actor na se producer na se
Producers there, I don't blame them more because obi one man wey you to pese ejumani en for pese you producer, but directors ni so na ebi one ma omo producer ne kasa ebia Samantha so obeji 2 series or like ono ne beka. Oh, Amanda, you better go for Amanda. One ask me say, oh, Amanda, the man 2 series. But me no, me can't tell me what you 2 series I read. Ama me. Obe bring me 50 pesos. Says I no the director na kan, or the producer na kan.
wow
A producer ni this kind, you know. No more make excuses. Obi on ma otimi ka se juma no ane de anso ye be kom na juma no nya ne de. So I say, what be am no ye free. Oh, sister, ebia sister, me sure mbo am my enye but me bo we no.
for this kabam
Yeah, that boy we no later na producer unity. Producer so o sky so niska. And adwuma no ekoye sa mo ha ye.
yeah
Omo ha ye. Esa na ye bre in the first place it da ben dana mo be say but what say na producer no agye na adwuma no wanya ne sika no ye okay na director so agye sika no mo ye okay na de bia ne nam fom na omo chika sne ade na ye nam fom obi tinchen no hu ye. When say people see us in a way be say we are billionaires. What you cry now for place kakra.
yeah
Obi an few.
but that time na mo pay no kra de na nye
Enye.
opi a ogie pa na eso pa that time na is ka be say
Oh, imagine 500 cities that those times because that time never ejuma na ene de on kra budget ko di chat ni kra ndru 5,000. Inti Mr. Ode jiwe mame na artist na kan omo tumi ma omo kakra kakra mo meboa me kefe obi o ko tumi ka se mo de mo mboa me ye wie na adwuma no ba out no nya ska obe sort it out but yeah nti omo nka ena omo ye directors
no ba sa na directors na esa na se producers no
producers no nyomo nyina because mean tumi ka say omo nyina because no nim na adwuma opese oye. And abontin producers I won't blame them because they have no idea what is going on. So what the directors maybe be ready you understand? And a koye say oh na oya director na me consider ono ebia a relationship bi nyese bia ye date ebia minimo and a wo dey asema betu manim say ho achew wo pese oya adwuma nya sika say ni crowd ti boa me 500 series no men charge o.
Una ade ama me.
Una ade ama me.
Ti kura na magi say ska no.
Say all them Mr. So next project. So as I say. Na masom no. What am director been some friend say adwuma Amanda Koye
o be charge 500 series na.
I have say I want 2 million crore.
Oh. Basa dia senye.
And directors no be feel say as they are doing us a favor which is not onim answer na obi be hu no apɛ wa asɛm no ye easy o.
Be hu TV so aka se be pɛ wa asɛm.
Yes. Man kwa amanfo fi ankobo mo prum say hey your friend Amanda I'm not trusting you no pɛ ma asɛm. No, I didn't do that because I was shocked when I started coming into the limelight and people got to know me and I am mama. Because people love what I do, passion, sacrifices, tears. Yes, so yeah, bro.
So
All these things, our career is forged with sacrifices, tears, pain. It is a jumana, yeah, na say you so fast so as we are wasting our time. Mitimi soon, you know. But na said so, akoshe baby, akote tokro bi say soon. I'm permanent.
Because of the intia.
Because of sometimes SCA. Director be on ma or after on onim so no a cordial relationship be say onim you know as a year started credit na starting I will consider no. Oh director, oh ejuma bi o. Once I said American, there be ejuma na media. Omo national anthem so na enyo omo dia. No person pocket scan no, e sure no yi nkitin. No feel okay. And sometimes directors seem to feel say as a oh so born of bobia as I won't deserve it. When I catch why don't I deserve it? Obi to me fell. Am I charge no?
But who so twa wo bo to ho na wo gi. No mo fama.
Omo fama because they feel say one sa bo no. Ebia star bi on anim chairman. or also budget that same amount, you know. It's not about say we on an him channel. Yantana yeah brother when I didn't like him, baby or drew and she said, excuse me to say Okofa me ma me mentor Mac Brown, na Mac Brown so you 2000, just say be an one actually no. If you are not so person consider.
Yeah.
That's it. Me trata me 4,000 now feel say Mac Brown I 2,000 see. Was me 5 million so 1,500. Obi timi kan plane show. Ah, o ba just say na Mac Brown cracker so ba me say. I'm say there be a background minim come on dia
Mac Brown so be say.
Allegedly me ka say example na make.
Yeah. Ti bi ono no so be say a me nso me de yanko.
I now na Mac Brown on him channel no so ja tra there. What do you mean? I'm say and no why you juma. These days it's hardly for me to work with people because you know, yeah, international movie now. I don't know if you are aware.
No.
Due to our action movies now, unim edu baby now I think that action because some of our people felt like omajuma nko yes yakofa mete I was not meditating say say yes yakofa China for bi abegu Ghana hanom na Ghana movies no yeah fan na Chinese movie ni echa there bi o see yeah na yan to a die baby
And then okay.
And Hollywood ni Bollywood started no. They all started with action movies. Yeah, you need follow. Yeah, maami mo nyina no mo hwe.
Yeah.
Utimi hwe indie movie people na yen translate omo kasa na eka. Yeah, nya actions go like go say fe until omo kana say. But no movies na action. Commando mu yi omo ti. And then nyina action movie that and raining in the system.
Yeah.
So what I say, fine, I'm not saying that we can't shoot our cultural movies. We can, but sometimes no me myself no. And I attack yourself as action con enemy. It will only take an artistic director or when in who say what you are capable of. Me versatile. Robbie and what me play. Just an action about me who say how I me feel more. And I'm say me borrow yes me borrow action movie no. Where movies are and action con is starting. Movie never starting action throughout. No, it start with a storyline. It have dramas and everything. And some action and kakra bi. But the hunter amount for So what I say?
What can you say no? So you versatile no. Now say oben like pa. Abra woni Likee. Edna man na say na okọ mu fie de okoja ne so am ne adade no hu say sa role o play no right now no na woni.
Oh, say being an action like in the man me discover say I already know that meeting my action, but on a mom go ahead and me try. He was the one.
Like in a discover I say obetimi aye action.
I made try action movie, me started action movie, and I like it. Like it was the first person on the set when I'm starting to action movie.
Okay.
Yeah, and see, and I don't know committee. So they had plans about but me who they no time to tell. And I'm on time to tell you know. I didn't know how me, but it means me kind of as a concerning a son money see you know. Maybe who say maybe not liking him say nema na your directors no much na can in movie. No.
Na
Yeah, now who say be no ne de ne na or the akosa camp no. As now we were against him, which it wasn't true.
Not like you say okay fine. Oko committee ho no like na de oko ho
Like na dem ko.
but oko kan camp no no na like you so hu say adwene bi a be free ehwa ba bia no wunim hu bi ana.
Yes, sana na ekoye but I think that meaning say so we've tried to sort things out though. See, some time ago we no say there meetings because of but because many there was this guy my friend in the game or also by industry but Kenneth me and friend in the game obia your name no etia we were very loyal because him say of an idea koi and yeah international will be and good like you yeah and chema yeah and chema cry and maybe as a meeting me call so I be omunim say ben omunti no me meeting me call so there meeting call
meeting no say meeting no call so ana say am call so ana say you were not part.
We were not part. Meeting be call so meeting me say me ya wa say meeting bi call so but I think say no be info obi man info and I meeting no meeting the other say meeting bi call so because like na can there I wasn't aware and as a meeting me so call so na me ni ho because omo nim say one ade me ba enti say on be your meeting omo frɛ me enti edidi mu no am say na eya obi share like mu. So aside from that, answer na obey like still now he was rationing. Oh, aside from that, na ye na juma osa on my child na bu ne. I think that my last juma me koye man no was Akrugu. Akrugu na me de fair through na me free industry nim. Because like my fair through into me.
And action is
Yes, until I was out from the industry for almost like 5 to 6 years. Now my phone is me too kind, but no. Oh, but worry about her back. It's not easy. It's not me juma, but I'm into me because me ban oh baby me no koi.
Right now no only like in term say.
Oh, yeah, ntem yeah.
On free say obey Dr. Likee no na aye adwuma da.
Oh, me na juma da. Me na juma a couple of times, but sometimes when I'm in obi edumre bi na obey Likee na okofa other squad or omo ye adwuma no. Na ebi mu timi frame exams I only like word e grudge ana one pa one offer. Ena odi amanfo ye adwuma a ene nyame afa ne nsema ma omo abeye omo abeye ye. They've all reached the top all the who cry and I'm say oh yeah adwuma na me na adwuma pen but me any problem enti ena obi cry to me from say no odi amanfo tu kwan no wo o tenka wo cry no odi kan do tu kwan ansa na obi otimi from na wo checheku ne hwa no wo ba da ben wo na offer wo cry no be obi
also no industry move for na outsiders
ni industry move for nyina
okay
because industry net be brave aware me like it there no more aware until e ba sa no and I'm say oh of first starting the skate no start na my fair throw
okay
or starting the skate kakra ba hit ya be like na menyem and I remember say or contacting me through but me menyem mama obi ehu nipa obehu odi na ni hu say menyem shefo say shefo ATM na so be kaya omo ba me bra fee ho ebe twa producer bi omo de ni free akra na ba ho na omo pe fee na omo de call na role bi girl into me play role no na omo say na Amanda way omo say Amanda bre no na Amanda crawl way omo ni me play role na omo friend na me say mama me bra fee anka mo hu say mo be cast me on because na me see member because na me fu apie na chef mo de force do me ma me fee ho na be family by force because that na me fu pie kakra my bre na me buy no ma me costume na me try as scene no office scene bi na me twa ma omo na producer no cry na me nim ne da o say na uni acting na wo ya ye breast no like ka obe fix me na because o ma wi and it's not a problem bia say chef obe kai na me nyem e no be fa me enti along the way my auntie omo nka bi
okay
oh
and no like baby na like count
na like nka ho chef and na was set no oni omo ba me ma me obe fa me
okay
enti me nyem ni na no my auntie obi anka bi nobody contacted me again
okay
obi an contact me because me who I was a mother and she said at this stage but sometimes we feel say people will check up on us during these stages because obi on my own thing nka unim de ha no unim de okom nobody contacted me
abra wonyem na be 5 years no
be 5 years no
an check up ni ade
I said once a while be omo an contact me ebi wa Taylor Scorpion Jack Kuku mo me squad na no kra no eno ye but my auntie like nka biem and I'm who say na me hu me na starting the skate kakra na me share the ekoso ne ade enti no na me say ade well minim boni bi o ha me wuwie ya me ba ni nyine ye still na ma auntie obi anka biem ma auntie obi anka biem and before say benyem no emrofo bi ba na ye be adwuma because no matter Mortal Kombat
na mutwa no
yes o ma share no mu tracy ya ba Ghana ɛna ɔmo ne betwa international project bi
ɛno no ɛwɔ yi
ɛnyɛ yɛ deɛ ɔmo de kɔ international movie ɔmo production deɛ nti nyɛ yantɔ even cry I think that it's on Amazon ope bia okɔ Amazon na order they will bring you the CD
title bɛyɛ na da so
African Kung Fu Nazis 1 and 2 ɔmo asa betwa part 2 which was 3 years ago yeah nkyɛn bia
ɔno nso wotwa bi
I know some cherry
wow ɛde nim sɛ wɔatwa international movie
betwa international movie
menim bibisa sisei no Kumawood no wohu ne sɛ ɛkɔfo anaasɛ ɛsi asa gyina ne naso
oh and it's a first no as a ba ɛnyɛ gyina ne naso bank kakra because me feel this and nobody want to risk money it's go
yeah sure
nobody want to invest now when yeah omba and as I say your producers no omo ina go abroach caribode mo mutim nka omro na kai nko omro fire na we dey omo ina akot na abroach nti no
it is wo hwa ade pa na yeye ɛwɔ industry ni mu a ebetimi apija movie industry right now
me number one ye kan ye na ye kan ho bom a nka bom no adwuma de a industry be baba unity no ani ho because you say no according to bia wait me name group na wait e ba da be
we in a camp
we company and so obi before obi kra ko adwuma we are all one people
yeah
tete na sa de ni ho the only thing I know here production houses na na ho no me no kra no na we ye movie to many other productions ko here adwuma without any problem there but they say you know we as my company the team ni at so teams no say adwuma no ko out obi ani outsiders no munim team yeah they classify it as Ghana movie
yes
as a person in kumenya the obi am in the past there should be trim nti no ana mo de atete teams we kra no pema asem nti no me form me team me ni nya adwuma e ba so no be adwuma so there's the times I'm not be call yeah it's right though but sen kabom na nya adwuma you forget it sen kabom nya adwuma na ye na kan ho bom then we figure out what is wrong e dey na e be ya adwuma no e be call ni ejai me ni we wa asem na we bad abay na we uba ebi more times ade bi ona chewa agent Cries o bad abay e bad abay say hey na we are all industry player the more na it's affecting us too
okay
na nchima no so there are nchima almost over they have the passion to venture into the industry being a producer say yeah sort to be a better maba they have dreams into one the unity no say yentimi anya ba akwa you forget it say ya na be me sa na me hu no
okay nti unity no na ɛno na ɛho hia pa
unity ni hu hia ni enjoy person nkumnya ne nipa ba akwa person of first ka onim one thing we are lacking is it's America no so unity ni wo ho no ma yetimi collaboration ka big time producers by 5 yeah correct movie Hollywood okay yeah omo ayesu omo Hollywood Bollywood what I saw her movies now mo so list of names
bebrebe
enye editor ba ko na edit movie no but me nim nya Ghana nka me nim say editor bi pese ono nko me nko me tinya edit sini no me so me editor it doesn't work like that
was think editors no dawson
oh yes
it's mistake bi anu bi ehu ebi a we mistake a we be hu we so mistake a we be hu
it's not about mistakes sharing ideas because obi an the creativity
okay
and my movie ye cha movie be genesis of the Ashantis not directors here 5 would say directors and omu na so editors omu to me handle cameras over set and so on I how they were sharing ideas yemfa angle way now who movie now what obi a ohwe bia search for genesis of the Ashantis YouTube em say ebi mu dia akoto to no mo hwe movie no mo hwe how the movie came out even kana ya man for was Ghana nature assassin na a budgetary charge ni na ekito ebi ye nyina ba ase ye boa ena mentimi ho azi be mu no mo nyina mo tete but omo the unity na sha se na ye adwuma na omo de ye adwuma no wie ansa na entity mu be ba no de hwe hwe adwuma na one have so adwuma me twa bi your first period me to na me so because now was saying gumi how they brought the movie to life.
If it's obi wura adwuma no obi atia na so da.
Oh, and okay, obi the nipa bebre tiatia me na so.
One.
What was the body?
We dey say bisa.
Oh, nipa bebre tiatia me na so. But me na me pese me would even when I was young coming up, there was this big star but or a very or a car A-listers na ka ho.
Okay.
Na me ne Georgia Tobra ekoye adwuma. Me ka e bia me ka no tie obi hu so no a.
Okay.
Anya ono nkom ye mienu.
Okay.
Na me ne Georgia Tobra ekoye adwuma. E o man kran so. Tata na James Abuaje na direct scene no. Ache esa me ka ache o. Na makọ no ko stars obi am besa me ya na o stars no ba no mo gua no ma wa ya ka se ya nkasa tia ka untimi ko sunsum no like omo do e me dese ma be hu stars na me hu omo TV so no na George say me fa atade enkoma big star na America no yo ba ne ne afi pa na me de atade ko mami wa sha atade na afama me ne ka say oh ma sha atade no Fakoma joy no nsan mami. Hey, stars nanim. Mami ne moa ntoma atare no. To ball me. Egu mani ma se wo set no so.
Se do de koma no no de ball wa na se.
So de me de koma no de ball me. So wa hye. Na wa hye me nim me papa George dey say me fa atare ne mro. E bia wa hye oh mami dey bi ma hye gima no nsan no. I think say na ejako the best stars were the gurus no were there. Mama atare no to ball me. Tia me nipa anim. Onim enka obu mabem. Odu meja at once. Na na mpese me gba industry nkra bi.
Oba mu pese be ben omo kra bi.
Enene na me sare na da so chemitimti. Enene na me asa me mpe na asem. Onim makoto no said bebre so a thank wa bai. Won sanke kamu nyina mbe so akọ me. Who no.
Any ade na show.
Me who no cry me fane nya hwe. Na me so ade o ye me na me so but growing up no that so me ye fi mu there but en free me that so kai.
That's okay.
Because ko do meja.
Ti at that moment ni there na akoka che do osoma no.
Me ntimi ankasa na me de ata na esu achechere me bie ma na ohia me su o manim. Na me hu mo ye nkakra ko atobrato da. But you also wash it. Just a man, Timbo and Chim. And also, a day. Oh, at a room, of course, was mentioned once on the son or there be your son or you don't do that. Yes, sir. What's I make a cry? So at time, yeah. Because you were putting my career at risk. We are starting today.
Yeah, so.
May fine people see me as a star. I embrace it. That doesn't mean I should treat anybody anyhow.
Okay.
What I mean to, I mean, what kind me? And then you know, and there is another actress back who's also a star, also a A-lister. I'm going to cost one you could come by. Say, I don't see me so much about 1 billion. You be kwaba. When him, yeah, I bet some more industry anymore. And being an extra over industry, and then a senior full. When you been put on which hotel na ya balance and ha. Yɛmfa ho sɛ rooms na yɛ ma hotel reception no kra no ɛhɔ nyinaa yɛ dɛ
I am for any ma yes
ɛhɔ nyinaa yɛ ma yɛmfa ho sɛ ɔba no yɛde yɛ mattress da ha ne ada momfa nkyɛ me da
yes
nipa bro
easy arho
ɔbɛba na yɛde da fam but ukofi ukofi free man free phone. My mother had no idea. My family had no idea. Said this is what I've encountered. Me my brother na come da form me die. Kajumo na be dimo set so no.
Yes.
Me nana bo chance said the bro tun for nifa hene a enya ne baby ko. I come from a royal family, not just any royal family. Me no kasa me di ade me ma di ade na obeba na me da form a I ma hwe be a me feel. So passion ma adwuma na o.
Yeah.
One high ka say toilet obi agya ne nan egu tam kotugu abetamako. I've endured a whole lot of things silently in the movie industry. Nti ene no upcoming for never no person be so no moment but so am me hwe omo dia omo ya me sere. It's funny, yeah, because senior your phone.
No one is right now is in IF.
Full. Obi tam camera crack ojina also o trust ni.
Tam camera.
Also o trust ni. Obenya omo de omo twa. Obenya de obi like upcoming be ombre. Ti say the ya bre no. Me say first na wonya sini bi ntwa o. Enye Georgia to brand be so nsa say okoe production bi ba eno kra extra na okutwa. So what I say? Sometimes it's miracle film, miracle you be a papa nyame sure be a obi a. Onye ne member cast no nka ho. One here extra na be nyacha. Okay. Yetimi te say miracle twa church scenes eno ni asoa ne ma frifie. Asori bi waba ho. Asori no so hia nipa bebre so oye member so onye member. Na no kra no kwatena camera no. One here camera na be fa uchale.
Isa me chewa be for no me twa bi ba we hu me dia paint me.
One here be a phone na kra na camera no be dey. E be fa no a che say hwe me na mti o no. Nya me phone ni nya friends the phone cover no nya ni. Na me fan chero wanim kra mba.
Emma.
Me asa so ne wa na ekọ. We like you wanim beba.
It na hu is a boys na no mo ne girls na mo TikTok na afa mo no. Omo fa no easy way.
Easy cry because of technology. This time na phones nya common. Na I don't say WhatsApp cry ba no. WhatsApp ba da be. Technology na ba ma aye easy. Enti no obi on ma wabenya na easy no. Osori no bi na no na o cancel fon afọ obi a ono no. Enya na easy na ene nyame adom na obedum pempem so obi na o chen bebre no. Enye skasem kra na Oni industry no one thing yemfa age mem. Yeah. Yemfa age. Set ya abaso yi. Betimi aka say me senior chenko fo bebre. Aye na omo manim chen. E ba skasem a it's not about fame. Obi wa no obenya fame no all right. But oba and then oba ya na be to akra ketekete ya wo no ma oyo senior. So far I say even say and I said into nipa bebre chen me. Uncle Phil was my Uncle Phil any solo munya example. Omo chen bebre. But omo so nyina omo yem juniors. Omo yem juniors. Me buy national media. So what I say. But that doesn't mean say when you chen me chen omo industry nim.
So do nim dane form.
Debi age wise or penny even cry no say menyi chen akula bi cry na akra na ba na ya o say me dey ni obu ere. Opa so obi a it doesn't matter say nipa no one for respect am akra na onzo bu. Yeah. Enti industry no bebre mbu on ho. E bia na say yetoto atade ball me. That time no na me obi a me pɛ me ho asɛm. Kene na anka me ntwema no. Won say ofa hashim ne ya omo e mama o strong no woni abaye den. E bia ne no me so me come anim kakra e bia on timi fa sade ne nyame. But coming come anim kan o yes ah hey ready nyame. Ko bia weti enka o sɛ. Come so bo to abo no.
I say show pa.
E na yanko fo bi ono ma ene onim first na me ne omo asɛm. Omo so ye A-listers ba ko kada mpɛ na asɛm obi o Paul no so popular. Na ene na me drum pempem so obi ti sɛ de ono abeduru no e na mate o mase. Say first na kutokuto mo bag ne sa na ni esa nyomo number when your star number ono onim so kura ne bag sometimes e bia sister pacho ho to say me frɛ wa chiao da be na me concert na de mako me concert am frɛ on frɛ ye say bia wa sheda o first na me zo ma sheda because obi a ye ba say so a ye kutokuta mo bags na my friend so concert so am me ko mo say hu so mo say so mo frɛ say be o me my opportunity no because atome onim Some TikTok, ne Facebook, I have a whole lot of DMs. People want to act. But he said, "Sini na koye bibi oho." Me ntimi nso nsa fa on myself so cancer director say
mini penny
furniture. It doesn't work like that. Saa na ye nim say tie. And obi on so ya o beto your set no so oh Samanda I'm sure for na mama me de mema. Omo so de na me so me ba no na omo de me no. But you set ya fa me ko mate. Me be do set no so no. Me who how me see aya mo ba.
yes
E bia na producer no I the budget. Oh. I say bia ye hia immediate extra bi o ba ko metnya fra mo ba. But young girls no be brain say eh dey ah yeah adwuma eh amanfo mo say o set o mehu eh Easter man da e set o so wan frɛ on e bia be fa metim kanya sa on tie afna mate sa nkofo ni mienu na se pa because utimi frɛ omo na metimi frɛ omo Easter mpacho ah we hu na mo set omo frɛ o enso so me na me kutokuto omo bag so e na omo fa ha e na se ye na anti kra ko e kra me de bag ngodi omo ti na say mimi hu no say na say won moa me a na mimi say so mo nya ni papa ma me but mimi be drew almost stage no me say
easy
e na enye me nko aso na me frɛfrɛ wo me be drew stage na me go am for be frɛ say sister fa e ko set so no bebre edu time you know na asem be say me ya say da be o mo ja me ha mo ya me say me de we ko set so me di uska o nya say bia ma shada obi tie mi nya say bia me ha o me ya say da be ya onka sɛ ebia mabɔ otimoden bitimi bɔ sika bi o sister ma na me nyanya nti metutu obi timi ko nya sika no
no de aba
no afrɛ me sister me se me mabɔ wɔ sika no manyo ɛno saa no mo sɛ ɛma na mema nyina me say boy bi me ka me first encounter ma boy bi this kind by ɛno kra me ne artist ba ko na che me mabɔ ne ba set nso be chai onim nye say bia we are trying to bully them or say bia ye jo music o ye je aba je sika o industry ni madi ye je set fee obi won ma enye ye ba ro enye nkofo bi ni ye be hu say na omo bo a enye omo nka me say contract keke na omo no contract is a wutua contract fee ye aba je adwuma ne mra sha woden akwai say wako school ss na senior choose and say ye timba je o guy ni sa ade ba me no I don't pray on the innocent. Why didn't buy my engine scanner? Or this scanner to registration? I'm okay. Why register by my man form via? But no, I bet my mean to me finding in the machine concept so. Say, I mean, opportunity via or buy and or set this or a Kumasi and I'll buy any diet and a kind and I'm many artists or no a star and I'm going to chase can they say, oh, no responsibility. Why this can be there? Or concept so fan call. Ah, any man trust in na say be okay. Ena after the akra trust ni we ya onko a so onko. Ada ya oni baabi da onim say e be sama no baabi da na so hwan. And I'm say me nimo. Sini ni anya ne sa o. And I'm say na oni hwan na te o say oni ne stepmother that be oda school mo sunya ne stepmother ni mfi no.
Okay.
To school mo na oda. O papa wu so papa mfi no
no mini o
person star na nema nyina bakuma say onim say otwa wi amre ni komi fio say na akotena ho na me ne star na kasa say so obefa na o so ono so nya ba bi ma ne ntina e ho aye occupy na ne ho kra mmobo
ya asemo
and at time so no yem benya skasa say ye pe bi mo bi da ntina ne ho mmobo na me na kan say on sanko na omo mpa ye mame nyame ya adom na bibia yo okay a na me hwe na o say na nso so uji obi a ayam hihye wo ho
yeah obi kra se bebre bitimasi e wo so wo na busuani bi akra nim se wa basset so
what I say e na meje na be so ya kra boni e bia na mabesrew wo se me mfa ne mrew na wo be wiawo ana so be ye na makonya asem ntina man follow up dem
mene action woman ene guso ehwetwe nkomo ya dabo se men kan kire wo se 19th year we justify ewo atonsu astrotef nti se wo talent no se wo footballer na waba beto John Telly se wo ye justify kese ewo atonsu astrotef nti se wo talent na mentena fie wo tena fie a wayo ho hia John Telly no fa wonko World Cup. The ten say Kumawood no. ure mu no waye enwuma bebrebe de amamanfo
Okay.
enwuma na wo ye ma amanfo no wan pa nipa be pa na wo ye na dwuma wa appreciate you pa wo se nipa wo me ye na dwuma no tempia wa appreciate.
Oh. Any kind of medical de emrofo no I number 1.
Okay.
Go bi I na dwuma wi a eno ano unte nka. I say bi obe next production eno kra so obe fro say enyo on fro. And number 2 what I'm saying number 1 I am rough no mba Ghana na ye o madwuma no because they really even and then na omo communicate brother card on family agro also no hear Mortal Kombat no I'm a huge fan na nim say Mortal Kombat ai rough no ba nko bi yi mafre rough no adwuma mu ya nkasa ye hu nipa
Ah, we producer na so ya
or your director ko yi mafre adwuma nim no say brony no ba no ne cast list me ka
the
ho
target no
the target no me o hear Mortal Kombat ah but ya so makọ meeting bi me nka ho na ya nkasa ye boys no fresh ada no one meeting am say me nim meeting bia o say cause no say ono person obi be show because ono na adwen mu ofiri say brony de o ya action movie omo the slim girls na e enye na adwen mu me na no person oyi me free obi be show e na brony no so mbe audition Ghana hanom na start be so mbe audition abroche is never like that once a Hollywood yeah audition obekọ na commando mu ne obi na obi audition
yeah
onko ba ha no obi Esther on so Esther so there's no need of a audition which is wrong to me your audition no I can home na no me so na me first person am call me time them friend ya grow me editifo ni bi wo tete 4:30 enya ne on enya na and upcoming one say upcoming ada time of pay eno ka pie ma benya no time of pay no be jare chichi no share my time it's not brony class be hu that or say you are always on time yom pa no I can buy na me audition na say onu na na ma hye no say girl ya ba onim ne ho na brony hu me Sendel. Oh my God, I'm a huge fan. Sebastian Stein, producer and designer friend. Oh my God, like I just can't wait to work with you. Not director, ni general. Nothing any imagine. Me run wa custom me dini because when him say ya custom me free Germany ho na Japan ho na eba. Or the Japan for crew mro fun so na di na ti buy. Buy Japan. Near your audition no na audition for me run no. Na me say e buy ya customer pepepe na anim saa director na nso na kyerɛ stand or set nso na anim minim sɛ na onim sɛ ɔhwɛ me ada movie na ɔhwɛ movie sɛ ya no onim sɛ camera beat o sɛ de o
actions now you know
nti ɔhyɛ da mmea stand nim sɛ de bɛyɛ a ɔkyerɛ me original stand nyɛ gro na yɛ didi wɔ ɛnim bi no ɔno nso ɔsua martial art
okay
ti no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na ka me faili me ntimi perform stand no na nka e pro bi foforo no akyerɛ won say baako bi otimo oso obi nan na wahwiri na watofom na onim say me mu odum nyɛ na me friend din we osia no yɛ hwɛ na ma start na no my friends be documented the ekoso me yɛ ndi oyɛ no pepepe na me takwado fo ba na omo kyerɛ be yi a omo tum zam say ara adwuma wa ya kyem say omo kran na yɛ omo ada ita na peto ya mia stand ni mama say da be ya mintimi nye go he me wait no say mintimi na me wo me bu me kom gram ye
na me ya be sure ni sa ejina wo ye na me be sure service umu du but the ultimi ye no ano odi
da me sua ne kakra na I have the passion for it and say well all passion will be on her wo be ye wu kra na you don't care
okay yamla say uhu ni say YouTube no e baaye no abeboa anasa amwa
oh abeboa YouTube na abeboa pa because nya YouTube anga me nya so be twa be fa camera ko twa sini kra o baby abi abeboa
any CD live
CD ne say de one na ko twa CD ne kra DVD esi obi dem ne the code is now more YouTube na be boa because anya hwe kra na bi munya sky day e free ho into YouTube na be boy
say ene obi di YouTube stars ni bi etoto mu ama bre a mane na ne mu ya na say na eyem
onim the answer majority of Ghana especially I'm for Ghana here example omo her YouTube kra me cause omo do 20%.
okay
Because how no yen cross no yen more.
yeah
And you be on YouTube o.
yeah
But yeah no ye GD no enye ne nye that time na series na run and then so nyame ada roma ye movies ni na no yes I rolly ticket movies ni na ye rolly wo a both DSTV multi TV enti enim nye dada enti wo why somebody obi a no fa YouTube start to me you are making a big mistake. Because one here metimi aso obi also a YouTube star metimi aso ne nsa e de na number bi obi ehu no I say obi o YouTube ne bi hu no and na YouTube for kra na nyo obi o YouTube bia na obi ni obi e me no obi e buza say na we nso wan na say one pa o share YouTube uni masimesi but you know like it shouldn't no mama nya sa ya bre uja me a interview be ya ma 3-4 years abanam na sotia because we've been through hell we've been forged with pain sorrows ning na afra e na nyame ya adom ne abeduru nti udi obi a ono no ambre bi a ene technology ebuni asofo na to no so ene also abaye omo ya they should show some respect they have no omo nim dey afem and then kra na ye hu say ene magma want to follow the same route ebe style without technology in kra no omo ye ntimi disrespect omo say echina bi na say if I'm known worldwide if I see my ground and ye listers na mekotokotom
sure
me ntimi hu bill my ground e mean I'm on disrespect omo lewen kra onim I remember when lewen you crew I've my witness it
lewen some kra na me beken na sin na director bi de opoku bi osin to no say to lewen say udi opoku bi osin si wa on lewen obefa opoku bi osin right now
or say in director no or
in an acting role or see what the lewen si ho na de opoku bi osin si wa
obefa opoku bi osin sa
yeah
hey okay it's a choice let me say choices
yeah choices
but so far as it's not in a disrespectful manner no there I'll agree with him on choice no make yent me say chinchina obi opa ben kwan na say nkatin kwan aba na say no pa yent me ho hwenye but coordinate to no in a disrespectful manner there anka ment I say
so poku me dey all kinds of poku right now no poku bilson e ya de eche ko jon cancel we
sa na oka e be ono to ono na ni so nti ono to him
okay ti wo dey to Lewen asem no so now can Lewen say wo koto no e crew
Fitness Lewen no say Lewen na or crew Jackson before to be Lewen years back ono within him years back nti oba hete ye no e na ne ho sere Lewen obi a no ha akwa say ye bra kwakume no minim kwakume no e crew Jones Aje myself so ne ya starting kitinkiti acting no mu e crew and they were very funny no more serious so me wan serious
abra no mu ye crew no
abra no mu ye crew
okay
sa kwakume no I'm love you I'm kiss you no tie years back no yen for camera scene so and I no answer no share the light ne niema no obema wa stress hey we me taste and no ka enti me hu ya say Jones na twa adwuma o start ne ye obehite na enya me nwanwa ko ya na enim omo no ni enim omo and almost have a very power industry being a crew is not easy so as I say every woman this are there and so many limelight now we should give them that respect you can't compare them to be or no it's a technology and ma come you should ask themselves Omuti na yete technology abana ometimi apie abe stars today omoji omu glory. Ka technology amma na industry nzugu ya komere ka ise bi obi akopɛ nsana dwuma bi sua na.
Sisi
Never
no
bo.
ai omo a mo pese ombewura movie industry youth na mo pese ombe join na futu be ye be sori futu be na wodi be ma.
One, if we tell my mom, they have to sag themselves, say if this is what they really want to do. Because industry, said I'm kind only passion now to me. We've made a whole lot of sacrifices. My two school ago, me old school, not me join course so. Now my be see me cheat or now on me headmaster to me. I can't be just school. I'm my ba. Yes, if 1 week no only school. Hey, no more cool. Because I had a passion for it.
Yeah.
I chose my own path though. And sacrifices and the amount of film no. Say if you are not strong enough, I be boo abem. And said American one, if you don't have passion, don't venture because it takes time. And two, what I make I say, over parents and no be I account. It's not easy to be a star. You don't just wake up and become a star. It doesn't work like that. Oh, the opposite way. Obi on my any first say honestly, I even who no TV so no. It's different from you having the passion. Yeah. Me, I'm doing something, you know. And yet TV is not I am before. I had it in me that I wanted to be an actress. I wanted to act. School, me started drama. I know, but me hear drama. Obi are not. My classmates be over me and you know what? Say I followed my dreams to today. And you know what? Even cry way back SS, you can't literature. They don't say I can't ask me acting. Now I'm for budget me so be. Oh yes, I had a passion for it because near film man sana. Me, I'm not saying this to put fear in anybody, but I was a unyansa no juma be attached to because in that should only time zone it takes time. If you answer yabaha set it so maybe last Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday
Yeah, we are still here. See a baby, see you knew into me. Go your big mountain inside. Yeah. So it's like that. And I said Americano. Yeah, everybody has the right to follow their dreams. If this is your dream and you have the passion for it, now, obi on my own him you are so obi on my own so me no. Omo ni masa but ko passion, ba ko nya passion. Obi on my say ya shani be say on ko sabi there that's not your passion. You drop it and you follow your passion. And you know, they make me catch you now.
Okay. You be we ma me musa question we. Actor be ana actress be ena wawo game achi ohun say the talent now the be wura mu no exceptional.
Nana background. Nana McGraw has been my mentor from childhood. Cause I hard, and now I see herself in me. She's been hard. Oh, Miss Swana, Miss Architect, I'm not hearing the movies. Movie be no koya but like they go to drive it. I'm a good driver. McGraw cried actually no because not anyone come out. Once we've not done me kaka no makofa. Me come out back door as a mechanic.
Okay.
My name McGraw. There McGraw is him driving. I said I come maintaining the cool races, but you heard it because she's hard like me.
Uzuko
articulate as see I'm a cheat.
Sir.
And I said papa no articulator. No, only articulator. And you know the cockline so and the articulator banner see I got articulator see on me go to maintain to there. Oh yes. And the side of my ground here, just like she's versatile, like she's great.
And what kind of man side? The man side in so no.
Man, dear. Yeah, some more. Okay, to me, the okay, to phone and I say,
And you the phone nyina obeka ni nyina. From mama nana side one basa nana side one basa me man so side one. Sir.
I'm on the side there. I said more here. Both Kumawood and Dollywood.
Wo de yɛmfa mfiri Kumawood.
If I'm free Kumawood.
Yeah.
Oh, you're great.
We great pa wo say ono kyɛ sɛ obewura industry mutim sɛ nipa asemasi obewura mu die akɔ ne talent woni sɛ so.
Oni session. Okay, then Oni session there. Yeah, so very challenging, you know. A man there, my grand, all this kind
to cry or no. Oh.
Upa kume.
But me man hona head dia ma.
Man why dey.
We dey kai omo movies the movies ni bi ne that time no act la na safa bi sine.
Ene dia nka meka say Santo.
Titefo ni nyina bi si ne nyina Santo.
Santo yenya Santo so bia wa say.
Okay.
Santo was unique in his way. Oh yes, Santo.
Do wu de mfa na mehye.
Ompere wo.
Do wu de. Oh yeah, the Santo do bia nim say no yeah dey we.
So yenya ye hu ne so.
Yeah, but me currently said omo ewom still na mo deso ewom.
Oh mo deso.
Mo deso.
And I don't know.
I don't.
Because there is a tie.
Uji obi na when obi a.
When you me you obi na when you obi a. As I'm like, I go for people no ma. Ye nyom say so even cry even if they die. And I any nipa ba ako. Nti na me mu say.
Obetimi wo de mami 2. Mami 2 de mama that chance mami 2.
Me ma 2.
2.
2.
Yeah.
2 there. Me Ejako 1.
Okay.
Ejako 1.
Okay.
And so say Kumawood.
Kumawood. I can say Kumawood.
Omu cry nyom say so.
Enya so mu kura say this time no yeah omu wom tie nya right now ye nya omo say so. What I say ye nya omo say so omo tie ase ni ntini ye nya omo say so. Ti say Messi ne Ronaldo this time me hu ni say Messi ye nya ne say so.
Okay, so 2 there may Ejako ni Scorpion.
Ejako ni Scorpion. Eh. Ni Scorpion, Scorpion me hwehwe no. Pene mame. Me hwehwe no pa.
Mate.
Me hwehwe Scorpion Koku.
Oh, omo.
Me hwehwe omo pa, pese me no tena se di nkomo.
Omo be available so am out do.
Tito omo nkra of die no so mame omo be show. There omo be show.
Okay.
Yeah. Omo be show ti. Scorpion ne Ejako ano.
Ejako ni Scorpion we.
Ejako ni Scorpion. Abra be ko fana we sa do ma Poleeno Multimedia fans ene se wo dwumadie bi eda wonim a wo ba be dia.
Me nchawa no. Onsa na okasa enkofo bi o mo appreciate me dwuma. Me jani wa me yenye ho.
So wo anyu ho.
Me yenye ho.
Wo anyu ati. Okay, o pese wo sa ewura mu ho ana.
Pese mbora ho.
Ewura ho mami.
Yeah, me ntimi nyi me papa okumkom emfrim.
Okay.
Because he really appreciates me. Obi tincha obaka say bia anim adwumbone bia onim ni bia but for somebody to give you an opportunity to explore or appreciate one come.
What they to be wo movie industry in that?
Oh yeah, make say yes.
Na dey na say ni pa na dey would intimidate. Say na say on person be ye pe.
Onim omu nyina ye nipa o. So what I say?
Okay.
Omu na apart from say any industry thing in they're all human beings.
Yeah.
But ono na say interest no.
Who na we interest in man.
We both had a or no the buyer na means who's the interest no no buy e cry ya antina nche. Because everybody and I know a director nipa ba ko pe nipa ba ko pe no a director and industry no mu na anim and I famous
Okay.
but me say me who like killer famous or a killer too em boy me na me remember na sim pa bonum jane famous
I don't know a killer.
or a killer
I don't know a killer.
and I make no omu na nipa e dey abeti onim love is something else.
Yeah,
so I say you being in the industry, meet me share, and if we both have feelings for each other, we can something might go on. We might plan for future, but I don't be on my own. Say, "Boy,
He be bo no adwane.
Mr. Mirror, some power saying I'm Johnny famous." Me, and let me who say, dating in the industry, you know, say if the person is not, me can't say famous in your mature. So maturity in your home, they be a problem.
Okay.
Why had it be an amount some go about because almost our industry, they be an amount some more about things, you know. Me come akuma na me didn't this me cocoa pie me ma be 10 billion currency and stop me. And me pay me wasem. Ade asem be no, I'll try to sort it out. Me no be pay me wasem. Yeah, me no be pay me wasem. Say that now can industry players be create am na so na.
No.
Ebi okra na ebi okra home from e be 5 year interview.
So
Yeah. And sa asem no.
From be fast say obeka fe na obeka ho asem.
Me there to me no. Me person me ka ho asem. Ebi a obi tinche obeka say bia omo ni asem na si no. Ni pa tinche obeka say bia misro say asem ne ba amanfo be di matem. They will blame me being a woman no. Or me blame me. But me try mo ade ho aba. Menim say dako ebisi.
Ebisi wo media no so ana say
Ebisi o media no so.
Like oni ni be share one on one ana.
Me ni share one on one. Ebisi o media no so. Ebi ono ana nta nipa na me ka na asem no. No ben me pa. Yeah, no ben me pa. Ono de offer say asem we kra be pie. Maybe I ono no nipa bi betimi di asem na ere.
Nam we no otobo na say obi.
Eno ka obi fufro. Obi fufro.
Wow.
Eno ka see enchen bia recently everybody enche. Ena e ban so a say that make no. Me
Otia na so okwan be so. Okwan be so.
Oh, otia me na so okwan bi so a me ka say me come deeper, o ka say me can ama me side ahead there.
But waju kuna na.
Oh, there me some me worry too.
Ana waju boy ana.
Oh, there we no cry news impo. On say utimi ni obi sign. That's a call Adam for ne sare no na wakọ ahokyerem. Wonim sa say me say no, nta me ka say e dey enso aminim say dak enye na debi ho asem beba. Nti sa asem we wo dem marking to ho.
Say nipa minim no.
Wonim no pa.
Wonim no pa. Me ben no. Who say me ben me ben no.
Wo ben dey minim but.
Kumase.
Oh baby ah.
So Kumase dey say bia me ben no.
Sa ada half on ben on one.
Me bi say Kumase so your ba. Oyo ba na be.
Enche ho asem.
Oyo ba na be ma.
I'm saying to ho asem.
Ba oyo ba na be ma.
Oba ne be ma nyina. Oba ne be ma nyina.
No so mu yetu.
Ai.
Ono ma di hu konkonsa. E be chimo say mo, ye na mo.
Konkonsa mpo. Enye konkonsa. Me na mape maka
Be how watch ho.
Like
ono mo de di nko.
Ade bia na omunim ase na omususu say sa na tie. And I'm pay my kind of crying either. Because in a way, no, how I didn't see no, and you may pay na see me man see it. So as I say, but when you say, I say me ba Ghana for be trouble because when say oh your ba they be na blame ma. People blame women. You have no idea what women go through. You have no idea what women go through. Maybe I tell you, say your law be cry say make up a man myself.
Okay.
I'm not against men, but women go through a lot. Say a man who go through a lot. Men has no idea what we go through. Say I'm person intimacy no. Nyame nim ti na o build a man strong because yes I dey be on my yanka e man na ebe wu afiri ase. Ti na o ma Yakopon ma ebe more stronger. Anya hoɔden mo sunsum ne honam fam nyina. You are dey be o see a one kantem a we wu. Wa ebetimi akum. Women we go through a lot because people take advantage of women more than most men take advantage of women more than say take advantage of more.
Oh, sure.
Oh yes.
There's a moment with my dream BT Jessica baby.
And yeah, no, different.
The moment baby.
On say there are Yakopon possible man and man to me no. Bear man a warrior ba Indian man a warrior man come me nya. Chief Justice
so sika. Bema bia wo pese wo ware ni bia betima ware no Ghana.
Me nya sa dey baby da.
Adentia.
I said
so wo na wo nyo.
Ah.
Baby ye.
Ba me nya sa dey no. E wo say be man na be me ho dey. Me ntiska e ma be man so fanyi me ho dey.
E dey ni si kwa. So wo betima ye.
There be say e bo nim. As my Tom ani manyam.
Sure.
The whole lot of marriages are on. Yeah. And then kay unim secret no. Wo say na warje ya papa. Bebre na man na bo me man.
Me am tie nsi me oba bo am
Yakopon de tumi bia ma mema on. So we oba no wan tie ase a first na me tie ase oh utimi hia be ma na no ho a kire no wo pese oboa no ba oboa no yo Saturday na de dua Yakopon de dua mo hu say we are doing the wrong thing.
I say obeka say give
Aso yes how. Asa ye mo hu say
wo peme dodo ana.
Ye peme dodo. Ye hu say asa ye ye mu duty. Mo na ka wo say enka mo boa oba.
Me sure me hu ni sa da. Say nti na Yakopon bo nsawi. Esa bo nsawi.
So ata
nsawi na nkasa no. Obede do nsawi na say adware nsawi.
Say me boa wa. I say friend mirror.
Debi say ye nyina yete enti say if say
enye nyina yete.
Ye nyina yete ana.
Ade bi on ma still na mo ntia say. We can't copy the Western world and our choices. Ade bi wa ade ntina oni be ma betina. Oni ska wa boa na ma na gina na so. But oba ko for oba ono na hwe no.
No ono no be ma na sa hwe oba foforo.
O hwe oba onu feel say o ye ne mema sem. I say, oh, mema sem no me ya ma o.
See, who point? What's now can point? Say bia o hwe me. E na makohia oba foforo. But me nso me hwe sa oba no. Ni sa na pese o kire. But unzu betimi ahwe obi a on kon san ko hwe obi. Ene odwene sa de a
ebi ni ho
ebi wo ho. Ne se be ma bi nsu wo ho a o hwe wo a wo nso di se sika no nso hwe oba bi. Be ma bi. Oh.
Ho me ka say ni ho.
Nti.
Be no kra no, se no be fa me na wo na wo hwe me na.
There be send you kwadwene sa de a wo fa be ma enkwadwene se aye se ye adwuma ye se. Ye adwuma ye ene mu nso so adwuma ye. Emema e ba mo side a mo na asu.
Onim de ntia. Nye se ye nyo. Yo ngofo be on ma share that so no esusuro. Oni bi nso boldness bi a vim bi o de beba wanim no we be jam. Your stubborn class bi o.
Stubborn class bi.
On found so ya star. Oni hwe o ya ma ba che.
O de tabia lema.
Tabia. O vim bi o de beba approach you. Onim sometimes no. You say bi a ye te honom e twen scaffold. Yes. You do level be honest escafona approach you more and I man crofo be
it's true
say girl is stay baby I dream me need resources na e bia make say me need career meeting me high sing room grass on got them me ko pena here but we on more tin ma me feel wa be wa e de wa ko ma one found so star
e bia to da
e bia to me da Unim, any a per memo, me per memo bodo.
Well, Mama.
Or very from unis
Unis Capra, your boy, bra.
No, and make an yes,
And yes, over fan of Malano.
Me per memo. Who say, and yes, or before the word grow, only be bomb on near grow.
Yeah.
Sanko funny be no. Yeah, I always love men who are more omunya guts. They know what they want and they go for it. It doesn't matter who the person is. Some a billionaire be crying out a what family that's all of them
So bad. Mamma could dear Munko Hanu. More motor farmer can no
but no depending on all kind of and you say oh yeah
no so yes steady as I'm no cano maybe so for the person
a BC pen a BS in life pen
it's obefa de no call ma mi fi
on a Friday not nebusu fie you know but
buy no ma ohun say what
and yes I buy ya na eja ho ye ho ama o
unti ase
yeah not sexually but yes I buy ya out on farm makan to buy ja ton farm ba no mati ase there you only ma be ho ma ye di so ye de ani to form asema se oni bi but o share intentions o ma o ne ne ma obe chewa and you be na make say
onya bi obeboa ododo wo check ya ohun se
onya bia and nipa na make na asem obenya bi nso ono enomo no so kra na mama ba ya mande ne.
Oh, okay.
Now it's coming to the limelight. No who say ono kra so about to say uncle say bia park o efie ni mo hu ye no onya ope hu ya na bambu ye. It's not about industry no. Sometimes the way you carry yourself as in person as nature no. Remember industry kra na me meeting about mani. So as I say but ono who say hey this the yard ope me ope scafo and as ope me mo kuta as mo kuta cars ono bicycle rim kro ni.
Ti ana mo so no ya na me ma na mo nam fom no mo ba no ya na mo hu mo se mo actress ana mo di se ye ni ne nam fom se ni se ba ya na mo hu se obo ho a obetime obo bi obedwun se wa dwen ya adwuma
o na wa
dwen ya adwuma because ono hwe level no ono na duru na wo nam fom wo be wo de trotro na eba
yeah you say adwin be na da wutrim. Okay, to me, I can't speak for other actresses.
Oh, the any say you say adwin be na da wo.
Men can say
yeah, me manitiri.
Yes, I'm about them. Me so be approaching me and the person is below my standard. Maybe I'm say nipa no make us say o to ma me fi. Singing ground me ko high bin near. Me know what them. Yeah, me the money to for me say me Jimmy say be me ho abo me ho so bi na ma je o.
Okay.
Maybe on ma una also future ni no ni be and no me no me we going to start but not like really dating as me the money to from here there no ma he butai nti are eba obi ono ma onim say o ya actress kakra won ho nti obeyi ono some mentality or eba no and o star
the someone so no yes star no say hu ni say okay fine me am tie me ton farm na hu say bia the future no brighter na say obetimi wo kakra bia obetimi de aboa me so obetimi aye
betimi aye no ansa na me ye na menim de me hu yes o ba matam
no redeem me hu say
onim me share the all can be me share nigga be on kan o school and I felt like okay me na first say obeshia be ma na oni bi na mo be bra efe ba me ma ni bebre ma sense from me share obi sa ema anche me share no kra ni 2 weeks obi some school fees
o si awla onu di ko na di 2 weeks
I think almost semester no be and some school fees ni hostel fee
hey
now
and so we are big mama wa father say big mama one hour 7
oh yes
no so no di ntini na nam
o di ntini na nam
tu sa de o di adwuma na nam no
oh me o di adwuma na ma untimi biti me chill se metro se and e ba me nso ade ma ya ma bia meje me di bia ye footballer bi pen oni me o tie me a me di bia
o the footballer
odi pa
abundi ame hu no
me no te kama ono kra no sata no akwa brochi akọ bobo epra odin wakba national team da ebe ball ye local teams ye be
Bundi ma ese ndenye live ya.
onim pa
So
na madam for next business am hu no
ba se nye live ya bondi ya ono.
we we am bondi
Ah?
we am bondi
Okay.
na o se me mbo a me support o se be ya no obenya injury
Okay.
ema no ni ska o ko no ko tena ne ma me fie tina aka ne ka ajaji bia na otwi ni kakaka o ya na beto me format bi se team person o sign no na beto ko ya ne passport change ni age no o na me ska na ma no o me ka na say nka me kwa ko shia manager wonim no person o se me manage no se be ya team ni ba na yeah me na me manager me sign be ma like na me pena asem no he had nothing to offer me.
Okay.
Mama me wan see that.
Okay. Footballer no.
Mama me wan see that.
And you know one be dey man no.
But I thought that you obedi kra na ending. Be ma odo no ne ho yomobo. Be say me bo manager na ask kaka. And I thought I me kra am sending this card chop money near a day. Oh. And I thought I can mani mbisa. Enye na me ma ise bisa musika ansa na mudama ye no. Ye ko bisa anso am say ye piska. Me mani mbisa because minimum situation.
Unim komo de na da ntino sorry o send ni skada da.
No o ma me to ton ko bi wodwom. Me ho am kra no ho emobo. Na situation nye. From my side na o mu busu afi na o te no enye se ma call na me call.
Enti de na otimi nya injury no ho uptown no nya injury no ba ye.
Ko uptown ko nya injury no ba ye. Enti na before that no ball ye local teams there one of the popular teams na Ghana ni bi. And o call ko nya injury no ba ye no. When nya injury one never foul. See also treating na o ya papa bi say ni say o ko ha ma o de duro a chechire na de o ma send ska. Sa na no de ye me. Eja be ma o kuna be ma o do na o pese o bo anu and then never been an nipa bi my and tin yen hu ze ebo nipa no na ma send say obo a odidi me ho na we na that could trigger me nim de ba me mu and I'm so forwarding to Facebook account man I'm ready and then the password na me say me man 2 minutes 3 minutes pa ho na me na go say me feel na I only me na otina o sisi me I feel in my spirit Di kasa chere me. Na me say me hu say nema boy am I Jimmy na me Jimmy there. And I say he's not using me. Na my friend of phone na say 3 minutes pa ho a ye jai. O say pare na boy adwuma na me say ade wo ye bibi o machi na so there be say for mama because me tofu me nim de na me nyema no. Na my imagine say we not to payroll so every week we are discussing na me say nyema. Compare say obenya team a me wa sign ye the my manager say a manager stroke girlfriend stroke manager say he was using me
people to tumlika
hey he was using me na me catch her no after no who the oil no check no as after me na I don't know yes I'm say are you hiding something? Are you doing something? No, what send mama.
Send Facebook.
Any password you na. Number so be say na say apa ho once and me no one jai. Take me comment from you. No I no send it. Want me delete messages within that minute in that. Send mama so God being so good. I didn't expect no na me. Send me send this guy. Not that tofu egu ka na on my chere. Obi a wo na ho mo bro na me hu mo no. When you injury, if you are from you. Send me send this guy. Me her date na men check data na me hu no na dem check nka ho. Tama me share ni na. Ma oni omo chat wa jo omo number omo prepare na omo pie ya na akosi na akosi se otwa me trust o ko ba bi sending na time frame na me calculate. I'm saying sir. Manjana mananko. Na me be ma. Sika me dia ma wo. Till today. Meje mari na.
No power check so e.
Na I'm saying me na so ni bi. Wo bi pa yes I be am do we gina no. Umpe. Me fa nko ante na ba ye be court. Scam some masanya ma na me who evidence. Serve court evidence to prove it. Na ma just can interest na na nkwase abo sika nyina. Na pa me try to dey me no so what. Abrowa no asenu 2 minutes. Oh, me say meji o. Me say once the cracker chair.
O bajiri nyina.
me say me catch Nyankopon so ntia o kan kan because we kwase too much enye entina we asenye sa wa no say no 50 cities oni bi
to timi to ya
wantimi me adu ba bia na me say nya hwe mane mfa no muso nko
na oja
na me ja no man ko e se bi wa no afrem o na na nti so woni majai o kotwa bia am se bra e ha me o e ha me why am a plans na share your dreams na share
oh
you need share me bi
nti ebi nso ananyo ono
a
ebi nso ananyo ono ayo football ntina man
tata football na ma tata o ma me ha o ma me ti asore dem bomb pa ma o so be ko nkwasi asem na no wodi no
nti still na onya team ya
onya team ya o ti ano ti
oh asem na ndi nso amo
onim ne ho pa onimo
interview there da be o story na no aka no
onim akora ko me bura next interview me bu no
body dio
body na from back no from sika yes am body
out to escala scouts na so pa
oh
ene chef betua na se be say sika interview yes ye be body why betua
okay bin shame at least o say me ade am first be ma me ti a se me anasa dachi mi me ware me puli Rolls Royce black and now puli white now the match I want my man to succeed and to say if I have the means meboa obi ono ma sometimes remember we all ma minimum obi hu say na asokore man po hene na bo chance at the bra onya ne ba bi ko tumfo ni fa hene he wanted to use that or say me ho kan che me na so de ade a oya ade ho opportunity na say who say you have the talent he's going to invest in you ono be so nsade wa the right field protocol boy na agent nam sa we use me say me fa on come na unya de operi no ye ene ka
emfa
ene ka we do here
ko say jobela wo wanim project be na wo wanim a wo ba be your fans this year project be no wanim
oh there are a whole lot of projects egu anima egu akwan so I say yeah Suluku one of the most greatest movie I don't know if you've seen it no producer no you say the call international it's on Netflix but yeah
okay
or other international platforms said okay me papa said to na me okumkom Nana Bafo do the second, and the first. Hey, that for champion. Aka Okumkom, Obe Kumkom, say.
Ene de obekum ya kum
Oh yes.
yeah okumkom
And now I'm privilege say. Ejuma ina so seminar so yeah and na me so na yeah ejuma
okay
come be say obi by industry no passion we need to lead them to the right channel. Yes, you know. I'm bringing the right people on board. Said about na bemumbu. Because na bemumbu I so yanu aduana yede. Abo me. Yes, can every day. Come. Ti na make no. Pese mi nkuminya. Obi anka. Oh, kwa baba ya la bi discussion no bi akofa for me. Enye na me for the betterment of the industry na many day. Ewom ti no. Nana, pia onka so. Nyame share bebre say o ma me opportunity no. Yeah, Jumari. It's a project they be creating.
okay
We are here to do more. Until Americano. I'm praying say be able to cost yeah na or sa my bro, you know.
okay and ya ka chen say duru on so on friend na ye be bon ho duru
Sa perfect.
yes you bon ho duru na YouTube channel din is
BO1 TV.
BO1 TV
Yeah.
okay YouTube
Yes.
e ho na nyuma ni nyina be ko
David, when there you name I say we
but movies go
all movies go on BO1 TV.
okay
And I'm on searching for Said Drew's Fan TV. The director wa akon so Kumasi.
okay
Director Idi.
na one kasa on YouTube channel
On my YouTube channel. But me yan started Jumangu so.
okay
Yes. Because edu time me relax eh. As I'm confirming now so me no on be say oh boy as I relax we Yeah, nti enche bia me start me YouTube
Okay.
again. Enche bia.
Yeah, bompae. Enche bia nti ka che busuafo se omu abruche se omu nyusu lemfa emfa sediska emna Ghana na omu nyusu Poleeno as a promo code na mu fan sediska emfa mre me madam yo tim
So what I
nchi
say?
what
Oh.
I say
Oh.
o send the aba onso we say we ye guy na bitimi aba so nti so wo abruche na afese wo sediska ndeba
So what I
no
say?
use lemfa dia send no use Poleeno as a promo code na wo dia send. Mida wase sɛ wonya mmerɛ de hwɛeɛ na subscribe to Poleeno Multimedia. Bidie ne yɛ password. Makram. Bye.